Good morning, class. So today we're looking at probability, looking at the grade 8 exercise 3, odd numbers. Odd letters. Yeah, no, you don't get odd letters. Or the revision exercise. Oh. And that's on page? Sorry? 319. 7. Yeah. A die is thrown 50 times. The results are recorded in the table below. Calculate the relative frequency that the number 5 will occur. So the relative frequency is going to give you the 5. The 5 occurred 13 times. And what was the total number of trials? 50. There's the first answer. What is the probability? The pure, no, what do you call that? This is imperative, no? The other one is theoretical. What would the theoretical probability be? 1/6. If we look at how far off is 30 from 1/6. 1/6 is 0.16. 0.26. Can you see that? 1/6. 0.1617. Okay, but like we said, relative as they do more and more, say they did 5 million throws, then it will be closer and closer to theoretical probability. The more trials there are, the closer it will come to pure or theoretical probability. Okay? Not pure but theoretical. Number 2. Oh wait, they asked the same thing that we're talking about. What is the theoretical probability? The probability that the 5 will occur is going to be 1/6. Number 3, explain the difference. As I said now, if you do more and more trials, you will notice that you will come closer to theoretical probability. Okay? It's not enough that is being done there. The trials isn't enough. Okay, in number C, we are told that, or in C, a survey was found that 3 out of 4 people enjoyed weekends. Who doesn't enjoy weekends? Nowadays. Who doesn't enjoy weekends yet? Well, the ones that is not here today, probably. Okay. In a whole of 500 people, how many people would you expect to have to enjoy weekends? So the probability is 3 out of 4. Not so. So the number. So the number of people is simply going to give us the probability, which is 3 over 4 times the number of people there are, which is 500. 3 over 4 times 500 gives you 375. Is that correct? Okay. That's C. Let's look at E. A card is drawn random from a pack of cards. So we need our cards again, eh? These are cards. Right? Yeah. Didn't we draw cards before? Okay. A card is drawn from a random from a pack of cards. Determine the probability of drawing a club. People, how many clubs are there? There are 13. The probability of a club is going to be 13 out of 52, which is a quarter. Number 2. A jack of spades. How many jack of spades are there? 1. So it's 1 out of a jack. A spade is going to be 1 out of 52. Number 3. An ace. How many aces are there? 4 aces. So the probability of an ace is going to be 4 out of 52, which is 1 out of 13. Number 4. A king or queen. How many kings are there? 4. Queens? 4. Probability of king or queen. It's going to give you a total of 8 out of 52, which is 2 out of 13. Number 5. A 9 or a 10. How many 9s are there? 4. How many 10s are there? 4. Which is again 9 or 10. It's going to give you 8 out of 52, which is 2 out of 13. Number 6. A 7. How many 7s are there? 4. So it's going to be 4 out of 52, which is 1 out of. Number 7. A 7. How many 7s are there? No, I got it. 4 or 5 of diamonds. 4 diamond or 5 diamond. How many 5 diamonds are there? 1. And 4? 1. Together makes 2 out of 52, which is 1 out of. People say any confusion. Some challenges. There are 2 of them we chose. 10 numbered balls are placed in a bag. A ball is taken out of that bag and put on a table. Determine the probability of taking out a 7 ball. So you take out the 7. How many 7s are there? 1 out of 8. Suppose that the second ball is now taken out of the bag and placed next to the 7 ball which is on the table now. People, if I took the 7 ball out, how many balls are left in the bag? 9 now. Determine probability of taking out the number 4. So what's the chance of you taking out the number 4? 1 out of 9. So 4 is now out. Now how many balls you got in the bag? How you get 6? 8. Oh, you see, you're sitting on the different side of the class. Now you like it. Suppose the third ball is now taken out of the bag and placed next to the second ball. Which implies that the other 2 balls are still on the table. No? So how many balls have you got left now? 8. Determine the probability of taking out the number 3. How many 3s are there? 1. So it's going to be 1 out of 8. People, you guys understand? Easy, no? It's not really a challenge, I know. Right. Would you guys find it challenging? Who found it challenging? Nobody. Who did the homework? Not all of you, that is one. See, using the information provided on the given diagram, calculate the shaded area. Alright, so the shaded area, of course, the shaded area is going to be the outer circle area minus the inner circle's area. Okay. So how do you calculate the area of a circle? Pi squared. Didn't we do area of circles yet? Huh? We did. Yes. Area of circle? Pi squared. So the outer circle, you see this outer circle here? The area of the circle is going to be pi. Just put the area of circle is going to be pi squared. So it will be pi times Now I need the radius. People, what's this length here? 16. Not so. So from there to there is going to be 8. So the outer circle has a radius of 8. Can you see that? It's going to be 8 squared. Not so? Minus the area of the inner circle. So if I had to work out the area of the outer circle, then that means to say all of this will be calculated. Can you see that? But once I cut out the area of this here, then I'm left with the area of the shaded region. Can you see that? Okay. So minus, so what is the radius of the inner circle? If that is 8, and you've got two lines going through that, what does that mean? They are equal. So what's the radius of the smaller circle? 4. 4 squared. So it's going to be 64 pi minus 16 squared. 16 pi, sorry. 64 minus 16. It will be 5. 48, is that correct? 48 pi. And of course, we are using a calculator now. So 48 pi gives us is the 150 comma 7 says 8 centimeters. Okay. Now calculate the probability of throwing a dot into the shaded area. So the probability now is going to be the number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. Okay. So the favorable outcome is the condition. And what's the condition? Must go through the shaded area. And what is the shaded area? 150,8 centimeters squared. Can you see that? 158, 150.8 over number of possible outcome, the area of the possible, which is everything here. Can you see that? How do you calculate the area of a square? Area of a square? Side squared, or side times side. Not so. What's the length of the side? 16. So 16 times 16. That simply gives us an answer of 150 answer over 16 squared. Gives us 3 over 16 pi, or 0.59. Okay. People, that brings us to the end of the grade 8 probability revision exercise and some challenges as well. The full lesson can be found in the description box below.